Okay, good evening, everybody. It is 7 p.m. New York time. It is March the 4th. It is the opening of Asia, and I missed a good signal here. Look at that. Oh, well. Hey, Logger. You catch this by any chance? That was a good one. Good evening, Jake. Pleasure to have you with us. Baron, good evening. Drew. Slump is here. A formal evening indeed. Welcome to the group, Slump. Hopefully you found a place to call home. We trade the VWAP Wave System. Usually trade Asia, New York. What's your experience? Give us a little brief intro. Did we? Oh, yeah. Damn. That was the first time it touched the upper band since, that's a 5-minute band, actually. Let's look at the 2-minute. Okay, so we'll have to wait and see what we get. Maybe we'll get something here. I'm really bummed I missed that trade. Get what you get and you don't throw a fit. That's some wise wisdom. Excellent wisdom coming out from your daughter, isn't it? There could be a long in here somewhere if we continue to drift higher, and this is just a little pullback. So with that idea, right, we can look to long the IB high and value area low of the VWAP here. For those, looks like VWAP held right there. I can start to build a little micro position. We'll see. See what we get. Oh, Chuck did his recap today on ES. Hi, Oscar. Welcome. We're just monitoring. I grabbed one here, guys, only because we were at VWAP and we are kind of drifting higher in this channel. I only have one, so don't get too excited. But it's up about 10 points here. Grabbed one right here at VWAP. There it goes. Well, that worked. Oscar, good to have you. Asia's a great place to start because it's much slower. Well, I think I'll hold it to take out that high. Come on now. Don't putter out on me now. There it goes. Here it goes. Boom. Done. Done and dusted. 20 points. Not bad for a little Asia action there. The recap is live. This is live trading. I'm trading live currently. Oh, you're in Iran. I can only imagine. The recap's at 4:30, Oscar. New York time. A little movement. Gold's also floating up higher. Now, is there a short in here? Is the question. The question I have for you, is this a short? Back to VWAP. What say ye? The rotations are very small. Well, I took a little nibble. We'll see if it squeezes me out. I have room to add. 87 and a quarter. That's what I'm thinking. Peel some off at 78, maybe back down to 69. See what happens. Okay. Well, would you look at that? Would you look at it? Yeah, it's a little easier to read the market when it's slower, for sure. I have a bit of a short. I'm about break even right here. I think it's going to work. I'm going to take some off at 81 and see if we could hold for a bigger move down to the VWAP. Gold's kind of hanging out up here. There's your 96. Still like it, Jake? You're not going to like it until it reverses. And by then, you're going to be late. So you either take it or you don't take it. We don't have enough range to work with here to be late. Looks like it wants to grind up, doesn't it? I'm still in mine. Thinking about what I want to do here. Oh boy. That was quite the move. Yep. Right through the kaput. Look at that. Okay. Well, that didn't work. I was long from VWAP. Should have stayed long. Oh well. Is there news? Eh. Market just feels like ripping. That was an aggressive short squeeze. Is what that was. So that was an interesting move. About 56 points, 57 points. There's not much for us to do here, as it just goes straight up. You know, I'm not buying here. No, I'm not muted. Gold is strong. Nobody actually, AI is taking over and going to do everybody's job, so we don't have to work anymore. True. You can just sit around and play video games, play golf, go hunting, whatever you want to do. No more work, everybody. Sure looks like a back test of that composite, doesn't it? Doesn't it? This isn't working. We all know this isn't working. Everybody here enjoys this. And don't lie. So 212. Gold going straight up. And Q could go down. It could go up. Right now we're in price discovery. So at this point, I'm expecting it to continue up. There's no setup to the downside anymore. This is all longs in this area. So this would be like an ideal buying area, but do we get a deeper fade or a nice little bull flag, or what happens here? Well, it's going to be probably support. It was resistance, now will become support. Which lines up with our other areas here. We have upper band. We have a low volume node here. Okay, let's see what happens here. Buy spot. Does it just dump through it? I did grab 3. This has not been my session so far. I had one winning trade here. This was a losing trade. And let's see what happens to this one. It's true. Profound. Come on. That looked like a back test. Hopefully it holds. There's some volume accumulating here. We'll see what happens. What do you guys see out there? Anything? Oh, gold might be having a PDC long moment. Do we try that too? I grabbed 1 here. See hopium. I see dead people. Grabbed one on gold at 84. And I have some MNQ here at 12. So I have two positions going on at the same time. One of them needs to work, right? Right? It's gotta. You can't have two positions and then both lose. That's not how markets work. Okay. Okay. And Q's working. Let's go. Take out those highs. Gold. Hey, Drysdale, I'm watching from Brazil. I don't quite understand, but I've already bought the book and I'm waiting for it to arrive. The book is a great place to start. And welcome to the stream from Brazil. Met a couple of nice Brazilians last night at the meet and greet, actually. They had just moved from Brazil to Orlando. LJ, the new book is good. Not gonna lie. I might be biased, but I'm pretty sure this is a good one. I'm pretty sure people are gonna love it. Some people have read it. Jake, did you read it yet? Chuck's read it. Well, that was an anemic bounce. Ridden with anemia. The book will be on Amazon in the next, 2 weeks, hopefully. It's being formatted right now. The final manuscript is being formatted, and then it'll be on Amazon. You read the book, Andy. Mustafa can't be bothered, Chuck, with things like books and reading. He's a very busy boy. I'm still holding on to this trade, by the way. Still long gold, still long NQ. Yeah. I am genetically half British. Drysdale. It's titled From Gambler to Trader. I'll show you the cover. Cover is really cool. Cover is very cool. I like the cover. The true story of everybody in this community. Starting to look awfully return to value-esque, isn't it? Yeah. Like it's French. Old Frankish. Germanic roots. Man of the North. Northman. Oh, Jake short. Hold on to this long then. Actually, I'm going to add. No, I'm just kidding. Doubling down here. It just looks like it's fading, but there could be a leg up in here somewhere. Here we go. 200's going to hold. Holding so far. Yeah, well, I want 240. No, actually, I'd be happy with 230. As for gold, we'll continue to wait. Here we go. Excuse me. I'm in profit. I got an order here at 19 and a quarter. which is about to fill. Right there. It's a low volume area right here at 1875, 18 3/4. Well, if I get this one, I'll be 10 points. My second one is 20 points, which I'd be very happy with. All right, Logger, thanks for joining us. Here goes. Here goes. Welcome to Asia, Andy. This is actually some of the most action we've had in Asia in a while. And first order is filled. Next stop, 28. Coming up. Here it comes. And it's filled. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be here all night. 20 points. Thank you for your order, Jake. Thank you for your liquidity, Simquidity. Tokyo Thunder. Are we getting the Tokyo Flush or are we getting the Tokyo Thunder? Place your bets. You know, the Nikkei had a significant down day. like the Tokyo flush is the leader. Up 4-2 on the flush. 5-2. Poly Market says 71% odds of the flush. Tokyo drift. It just had to stop out Jake real quick before it went down. Well, that's annoying, Jake, huh? Also, I just want to say that my profit target was almost to the tick. I got out at like 28. It went up to 28 and what? A half? I got out at 28. My gold position's also up. I have two micros at 83.2. So I'm up 20 ticks here. I'll take one off. Ah, what was that? Yep, he's planning on it. I think so, right, Chuck? Saturday, 11 a.m. Back testing results. Everybody. Premium members only. Mark your calendars. Oh, cool. You want to tell us a little bit about what the format will be like? You want to hop on the mic, or you prefer to write? Okay. Ooh, audience participation is in the cards. Are we doing things democratically now? Who thinks this is a price discovery continuation long? That's a nice part about having a system with well-defined setups, guys. There's no argument about what's a PDC long, what's a VWAP bounce. We had some really good setups earlier today. We nailed this. This was the technical Madonna, and then we shorted this one at the IB high that touched the price wave deviation band. It was so beautiful. It was such a great trade. It sold off for like 90 points. All right. Well, does that mean I should get short then? I mean, Assassin's saying this is a return to value and that Tokyo will seal it. So should I borrow his conviction? I got to see what the Delta's doing. Delta's holding up. That happens a lot at the close, LJ. That's, market makers and they have special orders and all types of stuff. So it's really hard to determine what's actually happening. But yeah, you'll see crazy stuff at the close. You got options market makers, closing out positions, hedging, all types of weird things. It looks like it wants to go. The delta is showing strength. There's your short. Is it showing up? Yeah, but you can't listen to Chuck because he's always bullish. He's a perma bull. So he always thinks it's going to go up. Except when he thinks it's going to go down. I'm short at 11 and a quarter. All right, I'm in profit now. Here comes the Tokyo flush. All wet. Okay, there we go. Yes. There's 200. 98. Try and take profits down here at 195. Oh man, 200 held. I don't think it's over yet, guys. But I knew I'd get a rise out of everybody if I said that. I'm still short. I don't think we'll ever see NQ 25,200 again in our lifetimes. Here we go. Here comes 99 and a half. 98. Can you send a message over to Ken and tell him to stop buying 200, please? Thank you. What are the odds we go down to 166? We just went under 200, Jake. It just happened. We got to 98. Leave that horse alone. Leave that dead horse alone. Okay, we got 2.5 minutes to the Tokyo flush. Oh yeah, wicks don't count? Well, what happens if I do this? No wick. That's actually the bottom. Damn it. Let's go to... You see this? That's not a wick. That's not a wick. Short it. When short? One short. Thanks for joining us, Slump. More coming at you. Join us in the morning if you can. New York's good. It's a little faster. That looked like a back test of that level. Podcast was good. Podcast was great. It was a bunch of really good traders. Had a lot of fun. Talked trading incessantly. When you get in a group of like 6 guys and all they do is trade, you can imagine what we talk about. Baking. Nope. All we do is talk about trading, guys, actually. Was that a personal attack, Jake? Wow. I feel personally attacked by your comment. All right. Well, that was a nothing burger for Tokyo. We got nothing. So I'm going to wrap it up here. My short here is literally break even. I'm closing it out at break even. I'm not even going to tempt fate. That's the end of that trade. We'll be back at it tomorrow morning, guys. 9:30 a.m. New York time. Come join us for the open, Chuck and myself. If you're going to keep on trading tonight, manage your risk, stay sharp. I encourage you to head on over to the voice channels. This is where you can share your mics, share your screens, collaborate with your other fellow VWAP Wave System traders, analyze the market, manage setups, ask questions. Great place to learn and build with your other traders. And otherwise, we'll be back at it tomorrow morning. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.